Hello,
Hi,
I'm Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
my teacher. My name is Cindy. I'm 12 years old. My school name is Desert Secondary School. There are 5 people in my family. There are father, mother, sister, brother, and me. My hobby is playing chess.
Okay, you love chess. I also love chess. Cindy,
Yes.
look here. What energy do we use every day?
We use electricity every day.
Do you know any clean energy?
Yes, I do. Solar energy and clean energy.
Is
Is clean energy.
good. Is solar good or bad?
Is good.
Why?
Because it is cheaper and very clean.
Do we have coal in Vietnam?
Yes, we do.
That's okay. Do you save electricity at home?
Yes, I do.
That's good. Name the two energy sources.
There are renewable sources and non-renewable energy sources.
Okay. Give me two examples of renewables.
There are solar energy and hydro energy.
What about non-renewables?
There are nuclear energy and gas.
What should we do to save energy?
We should turn off the lamps. We turn every day.
We should turn off the lights.
We should turn off the light.
Lights.
The light.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, look here. How do you go to school?
I go to school by bike.
What transport will we use in the future?
We may use driverless car.
Okay. Do you want to try flying car?
Yes, I do.
That's okay. Why?
Because it will be fun.
It will be fun. Okay. Will future transport be faster or slower?
It will be faster.
It will be faster. Okay. Would we have a driverless car in the future?
Yes, I believe so.
You believe so. Okay. Let's talk about English-speaking countries. Okay. Mention 3 English-speaking countries.
There are America, Australia, and New Zealand.
What's the capital of the UK?
Is London.
London. That's good. How do we call people from Australia?
They are called
Australians.
Australia.
What about America?
Is America.
Americans and New Zealand.
Is New Zealand.
New Zealanders.
New Zealanders.
Good. Okay, Susie, do you want to visit the UK?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because I speak English.
I want to.
I want to speak English.
Great. What do you know about American schools?
They speak English.
Good. Which country do you want to visit?
I want to speak. I want to visit in America.
Why?
Because it is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
That's good. That's a good try, Cindy.
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Great.